What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. So I'm standing outside of Walmart, and I think as of yesterday, July 20th, Wisconsin and Minnesota enforced wearing masks in stores. I mean, I'm still seeing some people that aren't wearing masks, but I just witnessed something I wanted to share with you guys. There is a worker standing outside of the door. Two people attempted to come in without a face mask, and he handed them 2 blue masks to wear. So that's the policy per my area here in Wisconsin. Some stores are actually handing out face masks to people that don't have them and asking them to wear them upon entering. I'm really happy to see so many people wearing face masks now. Like, we all have to do our job to protect everyone else. You know what I mean? Like, if we're all wearing face masks, I think we're really trying to tackle the problem head on. So yeah, that was just really interesting, and I wanted to share that with you guys. I didn't get it on camera, but that was pretty awesome. It looks like we can't wipe our carts down because they're out of wipes. But luckily I have my own hand sanitizer. And then they have the little sanitizer there for your hands as well. But yeah, I just wanted to bring you into Walmart with me. It looks like there's a rollback on cantaloupe, mangoes, white onions, watermelon, and even cherries. And then of course we have rollbacks on all the swimwear over here. These cherries were $3.97. Now they're $2.97. They look really big and delicious. Let's head on down to the clearance aisle. Ooh, the tie-dye dresses are new. They're so cute. $9.96. These are really cute. I saw something very similar to this on Shein. The ones on Shein have the little back straps though. These are so buttery soft and stretchy. This one reminds me of cotton candy. These are really cute, you guys. We have even more bright colors over there. I love those. I'm so into tie-dye right now. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have been doing any tie-dye projects this summer. I've been trying to find purple RIT dye for the last few weeks, and so my project is still on hold. Watch, it'll be like the last day of summer and I'll finally do some tie-dye, and then it will be fall, and then I'll look out of place. Oh well, it makes me happy when I wear it. Wow, look at all the backpacks, you guys. Are you guys ready for more back to school videos? I mean, our school year this year, I have no idea what it's gonna look like. In my household, I've always been a homeschool mom, so I know what to expect. But I know for a lot of people, it's just gonna be so different this school year. All the cute hair accessories are just $3. Whoa. The clearance aisle is packed, you guys. We have some clearance bedding sets that are down from $34.94. Here's what they include. It's a really cute transportation theme. We have pool bags on clearance. They're $7 right now, but don't forget to scan. $3 water bottles. Cute little luggage tags. Floral shams for $5. $9. a set of 2 king shams by Better Homes for $11. A 3-piece twin sheet set for $15. The little clear bags for $7. Mermaid is such a gummy, good feel. This little one, the glasses. And then it looks like they moved a lot of the summer drinkware over here. 50 cents for these. These are $4. Little crossbodies. We have even more clear bags down here. The $7 Better Home galvanized steel ice bucket with the scooper. That was originally $12.88. Whoa, look at this. It's melamine and it is $5. It's really, really big. So cute if you like the beach theme. It's by Better Homes and it was $9.88 originally. The little fitness bracelets for $7. Activity tracker, $7. These were $12.88. The big galvanized matching tubs from Better Homes. This is $9. I am so happy with the containers I got here last week. They were $1. They were normally like $4. They're so big. They have the handles. I've been using them to soak my feet, and I figure I'll use them for some tie-dye projects too. These are all still $2. The melamine bowls. These are $2. They're so cute. I think these plates were 50 cents last week. Nope, this one's $1. Don't forget to scan. Use the Walmart app and scan. This is so cute. It was $3.88. The bowls are all 50 cents. The covered tray sets are $5. Here's an example of one down here. So you get the tray and you get the little cover. We also have some Ryan's sidewalk chalk kits for $10. Some tropical picks for $2. And some flowers for 75 cents. I'm in Wisconsin today. $6 towels down from $9.97. Watermelon welcome for $9 down from $18.44. This super cute lemon welcome. This is also $9. It's really, really cute. Oh my gosh, you guys. We have lots of makeup over here. These are down from $14.97. They've been here for forever. Moisture Treat. They're $4 now. We have lots of makeup. You guys are gonna have to dig, but chances are you will find a lot of $1 and $2 makeup. The e.l.f. brush. You guys know I just found these in Dollar Tree for $1. Not this exact one, but I did find a few varieties. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how cute. Colors of the World Crayola coloring activity books and crayons with 32 different colors. colors of the world. Oh, I love that. I'm gonna have to do a TikTok and share these. These are so perfect. $2 makeup. This is by L'Oreal. We have some clearance readers up here. Elle Care Jr., ages 1 and up for $5, down from $39.12. If you need this, this is a great discount. Almost 90% off. We also have some Dream Water for $2, down from $5. The airbrush legs is still here. This has been marked $2 since the end of June, so definitely scan these if you see them for $2 because they may be lower. We also have some bridal things over here. Bridal party items. Little keychains. These slimy glute mix-ins are down from $8.88. We have water bottles here for $3. These are all the Bubba brand water bottles. These are $3, these are $5. They're guaranteed for life. These were originally $8.94. It's getting kind of busy on the clearance aisle. We have the little friendship bracelet kits for $5. We have the bracelet making studio for $5. That would be a really nice birthday or Christmas gift. If you have someone in your family that loves to make bracelets.
I wouldn't lie. I feel like
Poise pads for $2.50. I'm really impressed with how much makeup is here. Like, you're really gonna have to dig, but you're gonna find some good deals. This looks so cute, you guys. Look at this chalkboard set. So cute for $5.23. And then over here we have even more water bottles. The super beautiful Better Homes pictures. They're still marked $5. Keep an eye on those. More Bubba water bottles for $5. We have some pool bags down here for $7. Magic worm bedding for $3. Some fishing items. Toys. National Geographic Barbie for $9. Halo figures for $3. National Geographic Barbie. She's an astrophysicist. We have some blind bags, surprisables, down from $3.88. These were in Dollar Tree just a couple weeks ago, but they were the singles. These are the double packs, and they have little bracelets inside for $4.50. Mermaid Adventure for $9. Magical Treasure Entrance. This is a little Fisher-Price built-in pump, like bouncy house. They're calling it the One Bouncer for ages 3 and up. The Wakanda Forever game, down from $29.97, $17. Where in the World is Carmen Sandiego, $15, down from $24.97. Yeah, you guys, we have lots of great deals on the clearance aisle this week, and so much clearance throughout the store, and lots of back to school supplies and items. Give me some direction, you guys. Do you want a whole lot of back to school videos, or are you just kind of like, well, it doesn't really make sense? I mean, the back to school aisles are fully stocked and no one is on them. Like, usually we have someone on the back to school aisle. Let me be that someone. You guys, we just have so many items here, but no one's coming around. You guys definitely check out Ibotta because there's some really amazing deals going on with Ibotta where you buy one, you get one free, where you can save like $12.50 and basically get a free pack of pens. So you guys definitely check out the Ibotta app for all their back to school deals. But hey, you guys, on that note, I'm out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me and seeing the clearance aisle and some other little pretty things along the way, like those tie-dye dresses. I'm just so in love with tie-dye this summer, and I'm finally happy to have a few pieces, but still, I'm really looking forward to doing my own as well. But hey, you guys, that's it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.